Cut all pieces according to your sister mag pattern sewing pattern. Sew the strips for attaching the buckle together and turn. Place the strip over the center bar of the buckle and sew it onto the front part. Pin the side strip to the front piece, carefully cut into the rounded corners and sew it on. Pin the open edge of the side strip to seam number 2 of the back piece and sew it in place the same way. Turn. Make sure to sew a rounded corner. Lay the flap lengthwise and sew one long and one short side together. Cut the corners diagonally, turn and iron. Sew the lining pieces together just as you did for the outer fabric pocket. Pull the lining pocket over the outer fabric pocket. Sew the open edges together, leaving an opening for turning. Trim back the seam allowance. Turn the whole bag inside out. Shape the edges and iron well. Sew the turning opening invisibly by hand. Sew the press studs onto the back and the counterparts onto the garment.